Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate. So yeah, hello Bhaskar. So, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Question is why quick sort? Why quick sort? Why quick sort is preferred? Is preferred. Why quick sort is preferred over merge sort? Why quick sort is preferred over merge sort for for sorting for sorting array for sorting arrays? Okay. Now when I want to sort an array, when you want to sort an array, then quick sort is preferred over merge sort. Now what is the reason why quick sort is preferred over merge sort for sorting array? Now the reason, because quick sort is the in place sort, there you don't require extra spaces, but in case of merge set you will require an extra space. That's why we prefer quick sort. So quick sort is a general in place sort where merge sort requires big of n extra space, n denoting the size of the array, which may be quite expensive, where allocating and delocating the extra spaces used for merge sort increases the running time for the algorithm. Yeah, correct. And there are some more reason that we have seen the randomized quicksort in the previous lecture because of that also. Okay, so you know that randomized quicksort in general it works very good, so that's why we prefer in array. So these are the questions that they will ask you in your IITs or in the gate exam. These are the question. Okay, so you can write the answer. So quicksort in in its general, to write quicksort in its general form is an in place sort, is an in place sort in place sort. Okay, whereas whereas merge sort whereas whereas merge sort requires sir or heap sort क्यों नहीं? This is best that's why, because there you require to construct a tree, you require a complete binary tree. So here it is not like this, that's why we are using quick sort. Okay, so requires big of n extra extra space, or you can say storage. Okay, where where n denoting the, so you can write it first, where n denoting the array size, which which may be quite expensive. So in real world the storage is going to, you have to pay for that. Means for hard disk you have to pay for that. So for storage you have to pay, so which may be quite expensive, it is going to be expensive. Okay, so allocating, you write allocating. So because you are going to in merge sort, you are going to get allocating and deallocating. First allocate, then allocating and deallocating the extra. So these two questions that we are going to take are very important question. In worst case it is going to take n square, it's worst case in going to you n square. But always merge sort is going to n log n, but we are not going to use quick sort. That's why in previous lecture I have taught randomized quick sort. In practical we are going to use randomized quick sort. Okay, randomized. In practical we are going to use randomized quick sort. So allocating and delocating the extra space. In previous lecture I have taught, you can go in the my playlist of algorithm. There you will see in previous lecture I have taught randomized quicksort. So and the extra space used for merge sort, used for merge sort, merge sort increases the increases the increases the running time, increases the running time of an algorithm, increases the running time of the algorithm. Okay. Now comparing average complexity. I will come to every point. Okay, now comparing average complexity, we find that both type of sort. Yeah, good evening, Nisu. So comparing average complexity, we find that both type of sort have big of n log n, average complexity. Average complexity is going to this. Now I'm going to come to the worst case complexity. But 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 they are going to differ by the constant, but constant differ. Okay, but constants differ. But constant differ. Okay. Okay. So for array, so in array, merge sort loses the competition between quick sort because of the extra space. So for array, merge sort. So for array, merge sort loses due to use of extra big of n storage space. So if you're done with the writing, then you can let me know. Okay, now we are going to see the randomized. Okay, so if you're done, then please comment D. Right, now we are going to protect us from the worst case of the quicksort. So most practical implementations of quicksort of quicksort use use randomized version use randomized version, and the expected time of randomized version is n log n. The randomized version, the randomized version, the randomized version has 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 expected time expected time complexity of big of n log. देखिए, so in this case worst case can happen. The worst case is possible in randomized version also, but worst case does not occur for a particular pattern. Okay, so the worst case is possible. The worst case is possible in randomized version. In randomized version also the worst case is possible, but it is not going to show the adaptive nature, that when I will give you the sorting order, increasing order, decreasing order, then you are not going to get a worst case. Okay, so the worst case is possible in randomized version also, but 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 worst case, this question is very important in terms of your interview. Okay, but worst case does not, if you are preparing for your placement also, then also it is going to be useful. So but worst case does not occur for a particular pattern. So which pattern we are talking? Like sorted array, sorted array. Okay, and randomized quicksort work well in practice, and in practice in real time randomized quicksort work well. So if you are done, please comment done. Okay, randomized and randomized quick randomized quicksort work works well. Randomized quicksort work well in practice, and it is going to work well in practice. Now another advantage. So we have seen two advantages. Now third advantage. Quicksort is also a cache friendly sorting. Sorting. Cache friendly sorting algorithm. It's a cache friendly sorting algorithm, as it it has a good locality of reference. It has a good locality of reference because it is having an array, so it is going to have a good locality of reference. So these are the part of your CO, I think. Okay, there you will get locality of reference when used when used for okay. Now, another example is, you have seen that it is using tail recursion. Recursion are of some type. When you are using, what is the tail recursion? When you are using calling the function at the last, when you are calling the recursive function at the last, then we call it a tail recursion, and we are having a tail optimization. So there also we can use. Okay, so this is another point you can write as a third point. This is the fourth point. So, so this is the first point, and this is the second point. And third point is this, fourth point is this: quick sort is also a, because you are calling the function head and tail recursion. Yeah, correct. So tail recursion means you are calling the same function at the last. Okay, is also a tail recursion. Is also tail recursion. So you can say that it's a tail recursive. Therefore, tail call optimization is done. Tail call, tail call optimization, tail call optimization tail call optimization is done. So these are the advantage. So in your semester also, this kind of question they can ask. So if they are asking in your college, then also you should give all the 4 points. Your professor will be get impressed. Yeah, direct indirect recursion is also there. So the question is, why merge sort? So we prefer merge sort. Why merge sort is preferred? Why merge sort is preferred? Yeah, very good, Ratu. Why merge sort is preferred? Preferred. Now reason, tell me the reason why merge sort is preferred over quick sort. Merge sort mostly because merge sort. Yeah, correct, merge sort. But why? Why reason? Quick sort, quick sort for linked list. Now tell me the reason. Tell me the reason why merge sort is preferred over quick sort for linked list. So in case of linked list, correct, very good. So in case of linked list, the case is difference. The is different case is different mainly due to the case is different mainly due to difference in memory location, difference in memory difference in memory allocation of array and a linked list. So difference in memory allocation of of arrays arrays and linked list in linked list. Unlike unlike array, linked list node may not linked list. So you write it fast. So linked list node. Just I'm going to provide you the notes of that. So you know the answer. So unlike linked list, unlike linked list, unlike where it is, unlike array, linked list nodes may not be adjacent in memory. Here it is not going to be adjacent in memory. So if you use quick sort here, then you are not going to get locality of reference. Good locality of reference you are not going to get, because here you are not going to have adjacent in memory. Okay. So so unlike array. So if you're done, please comment. in linked list, we can insert an item, we can insert item in the middle, in the middle in big of one extra space and big of one time. Therefore merge operation, therefore merge operation, therefore merge operation, therefore merge operation of merge sort, of merge sort, therefore merge operation of merge sort can be implemented, can be implemented, please write it fast, can be implemented without, without without extra space, space for linked list. So without extra space for linked list we can do. In array, in array we can do random access is possible, but random access is not possible in linked list. In array we can do random access, we can go to any element by using its index in a constant time, we can do random access, but in linked list it is not possible. So random access is required in case of quick sort, because we are going to compare the pivot element with the remaining element, that to go to any element we have to traverse the all the element in the list. So random access is not possible here. So in array we can in linked list is not possible, so in array we can do random access. In array we can do random access as elements are contiguous, as elements are contiguous in memory, continuous in memory. Okay, so but we can't do random access, random access in linked list, but in linked list we can't do. And this random access is required in quicksort, that we can't do. So these are the another reason. With along with the space, another reason is that in quicksort we require random access, because always the partition, in partition function we are comparing the pivot element with the remaining element. So to traverse all the element, there random access was possible, just increasing the index I was going to do j plus 1, j plus 1, j plus 1, but here we are not having indexing, so here we are not having random access. So quicksort require a lot of, so quicksort require a lot of this, quicksort requires a lot of, so quicksort requires a lot of this kind of access, lot of this kind of, this kind of access in linked list. In linked list to access ith element in linked list, see this explanation you need to give to the interview, so that then only they will get impressed. In linked list to access, in linked list to access ith element, ith index. Now in linked list to access ith index we need to traverse all the list, I minus 1 element I need to traverse. We have to, we have to travel, we have to travel each and every node, each and every node from the head to, from the head to ith, from the head to ith node. As we don't, as we don't have contiguous, as we don't have contiguous block of memory, as we don't have continuous block of memory, we don't have continuous block of memory, therefore we can say that, so therefore the overhead increases for quicksort. So in this case if you use quicksort in linked list, overhead will get increased, because always you have to traverse, always you have to traverse. So therefore, so along with memory, locality of reference you have to think in your mind. Okay, so where locality of reference you are going to get good in case of array, and locality of reference we require in case of quicksort. So therefore the overhead increases. Therefore the overhead increases for quicksort. So overhead is going to increases for quicksort. So merge sort, merge sort access data. So and merge sort access data sequentially. It is going to access data sequentially. Merge sort access data sequence by sequence. Okay, sequence by sequence. Merge sort access data sequentially, and the need of random access is low, and the need of random access is low. Okay, so in this way our sorting is finished. So counting sorting is finished. So this data sequentially, and the need of random access, and the need of random access is low. Is so your quick sort and merge sort is finished now.